Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Shahid Latif. Today in this video we are discussing a new project with the title of Smart Video Recording System. Introduction to the project. As we discussed that our project is a smart video recording system. So as a use case we are considering a meeting room where we will test our smart video recording system. What is a meeting? Meeting is actually a gathering of two or more people who are convened for the purpose of achieving a common goal through verbal communication. For example, sharing of information or reaching to a common agreement. In general, we need a cameraman inside the meeting room. This cameraman records every moment of the meeting from the very first to the very last minute of the meeting. Sometimes we need to avoid the presence of anyone during our meeting. That might be confidential or even a non-confidential meeting. Sometimes we even want to avoid the presence of a cameraman. Thus we are in need of a such system which is smart enough to cover the minutes of the meeting. Hence we design an automatic video recording system which records every moment of our meeting without human support. In this project, when any one member of the meeting speaks in a mic, the camera turns towards that person and record his or her video along with audio. This project helps us to get recorded or filmed minutes of the meeting more securely. Here we are using 6 mic sensors which are placed at different positions. You can see that in this picture we are having 6 mics which are positioned at same distance from each other with the same angle. 2 servo motors of 180 degree are used which are placed one over another to get the complete 360 degree rotation of the camera. So accordingly our camera is able to rotate 360 degree and record any speaking person and any position around the table. Impact of the project. This project avoids the need of a cameraman, means a human being, during any sort of meeting which might be confidential or even non-confidential, thus providing the essential security to our meetings. Secondly, this project minimizes the chances of damage and being misplaced of equipment, especially the camera, whereas manual system is prone to damage and being misplaced. This project also provides better quality of video recording by replacing manual video recording with automated video recording. Hardware of the project. The hardware used in this project comprises arduino UNO, the servo motor, Raspberry Pi camera or any other camera, 6 mic sensors, and obviously the connecting wires for connecting these components. As a software tool we are using the Arduino IDE for the programming of Arduino. In this project arduino UNO is used which starts filming as well as controlling the rotation of the camera by controlling the servo motors. Two servo motors are used with 180 degree rotation each. These servo motors cover the complete 360 degrees. Camera used for filming is placed on these servo motors. For recording or filming, we have used a Raspberry Pi camera. Other camera can also be used instead of a Raspberry Pi one. This camera is adjusted somewhere in the center of the meeting table. In our case, this camera enables us to record the video on a real-time basis. When a person speaks in mic, signals are sent to the Arduino. Arduino will then send command to the servo motors to rotate the camera towards the position of the speaking person. Camera record that person until someone else starts speaking from any other mic. Block diagram of this project comprises 3 sections: the input section, the controller section, and the output section. Here in this block diagram you can see that input section has 6 mic sensors which we have used in our project. The controller section is composed of Arduino UNO and a Raspberry Pi module, while the output section is made of 2 servo motors and the Raspberry Pi camera. So whenever mic sensor sends the input signal, it forwards it to the controller section. In controller section, Arduino UNO control the video recording of Raspberry Pi camera, Raspberry Pi module, and the position of the servo motors, and control the output section accordingly. Demonstration of the project.
ओके, बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। यहाँ पर हम स्क्रीन में देख सकते हैं कि इसमें हमारे पास ये रिकॉर्डिंग हो रही है, ठीक है, फिल्मिंग हो रही है, और ये हमने तकरीबन 6 माइक सेट किए हुए हैं। तो हर एक माइक में जब हम बोलेंगे तो उस बंदे की रिकॉर्डिंग जो है वो शुरू करेगी। हम ऐसे तो हमने कोई कोड वर्ड नहीं रखा, लेकिन जो बंदा भी बोलेगा या हल्की सी भी फूंक मारेगा तो उसका माइक जो है वो एक्टिवेट हो जाएगा और उसकी इंटरप्रेटेड हो जाएगा। लाइक अब मैं थोड़ी देर के लिए बोलना बंद करता हूँ और आप में से कोई एक बंदा जो है उसको माइक के जरिए से जो है ना उसमें थोड़ी सी साउंड वगैरह वो करें ताकि उसको डिटेक्ट कर पाए। माइक नंबर 5 है। अब ये इस तरह की जो है वो रिकॉर्डिंग हो रही है, ठीक है। अब ये थोड़ी देर के लिए हमने उस बंदे की रिकॉर्डिंग करवा ली है। नाउ वी आर कमिंग फॉर द माइक नंबर 1। ओके, अब ये माइक नंबर 1 की रिकॉर्डिंग हो गई है और कैमरा जो है मेरे फोन के साथ मेरे अंदर वापस आ गया है। अब हम माइक नंबर 3 को टेस्ट करेंगे।
Thank you for watching the video. Subscribe to my channel for more videos and updates. Thank you very much.